Integrating factors found by inspection. Solve the differential equation 1 plus y tangent of xy dx plus x tangent of xy dy equals 0. Okay, so first we multiply dx to the quantity 1 plus y tangent xy. And then we have, for the first two terms, we have dx plus y tangent of xy dx. Then we'll just copy the last term, which is x tangent of xy dy equals 0. And from here, we can see that there's a common factor between the last two terms, which is tangent of xy. So you factor out tangent of xy, then we get dx plus tangent of xy times the quantity of y dx plus x dy. We know that y dx plus x dy is just the derivative of x times y. So we have dx plus tangent of xy times derivative of xy equals 0. Okay, so to make it more simpler, we let z equal to xy. That means dz is equal to the derivative of xy. So now we have dx plus tangent of z dz equals 0, since derivative of xy is just dz. So we know that the integral of tangent is just negative ln of cosine. But let me show you how we get this integral. So we have integral of tangent z dz, which is just the same as the integral of sine z over cosine z dz. And then if we let u, the denominator cosine z, the derivative of u will just be the same as the numerator, only it's negative sine z dz. So the integral of tangent z dz, which is sine over cosine, is now negative integral of du over u. It should be ln of u, and with u equals cosine, so we have negative ln of cosine z. So we substitute that to the equation. We have now the integral of dx, which is x, and the integral of tangent z, which is the negative ln cosine z equals c. Then we rearrange the equation. We get x plus c equals ln of cosine z. And then we get the exponential of both sides of the equation. We have e to the x plus c equals e to the ln of cosine z. From law of exponent, we know that e to the x plus c is just e to the x times e to the c, and e to the ln of cosine z is equal to cosine z, and then e to the z is just constant c, so we have c times e to the x equals cosine z. And substituting z, which is xy, we have our final answer, c e to the x equals cosine of xy.